Good day, sir. My name is Patrick F. Mangsat from Block 19. Sa video po na ito, i-explain ko kung paano i-solve ang system of linear equations using the elimination method. Ang main objective of this solution is to find the values of x and y na magsasatisfy sa both equations at the same time. Kaya ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang process step by step para ma-make sure na bawat part ay clear and easy to understand. Okay, so let's start. Okay. So, ang napili ko pong problem ay itong number 1, sir. Ito ang napili kong i-explain sa video na ito. So, i-identify muna natin ang given data, which is equation 1. Ito. 3x plus 7y is equals to 12. Ang equation 2 naman natin is 4x minus 8y equals negative 1. So, ang variables ay x is equals to unknown value and y is also equals to unknown value. Ang condition, okay, readable naman. Ang condition natin ay itong both equation ay dapat masatisfied simultaneously. Both equations must be satisfied simultaneously. Wala nang ballpen. Wait lang, sir. Wala tayo ng ballpen. Palit tayo. Sa ito eh. Satisfied simultaneously. Okay. Next is ang method na gagamitin. Method to be used. Method to be used is ang mag-work dito is number 1, making the coefficients one variable at the same. Making coefficients of one variable the same. Number 2 is adding or subtracting. Subtracting the equations to eliminate one variable. And lastly, solving for the remaining variable. Solving for the remaining variable. Okay. So, gawin nating coefficients. Step 1 natin ay step 1. Make coefficients equal. Make coefficients equal. Gusto nating ma-eliminate yung one variable. So, ang pipiliin ko ay x. So, let's eliminate. Eliminate. Eliminate x. So, the equation ay ito, 3x plus 7y, equation 2. So, the least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. It's 12. So, i-multiply natin yung equation 1 by 4. Then, multiply din yung equation 2 by 3. So, let's do that. Multiply natin yung equation 1 PQ 1 by 4, then multiply din yung equation 2 by 3. So, makuha natin 4 open close parenthesis 3x plus 7y equals to 12, and equals to 12x plus 28y equals 48. Yan yung equation 1 na multiply natin sa by 4. Next one, kunin naman natin yung equation 2 multiply by 3. Okay. 3 open close parenthesis 4x minus 8y equals 1 by equals 12x minus 24y is equals to negative 3. So yan, nakuha na natin yan. Excuse me. Okay. Step 2 is dito na tayo magsusulat para isahan na. Sulat ko lang muna yung okay, this is the solution. Sulat ko lang yung problem. 3x plus 7y is equal to 12. Then 4x, this is number 1. 4x minus 8y is equals to negative 1. Wait, walang space. This is number 1. Number 1. So, solutions. Number 1. Alright. So, isasubtract na natin yung equations. So, makukuha natin dyan ay 12x plus 28y close open parenthesis minus 12x close open parenthesis ulit 12x minus 24y minus oops 24y. 24y equal, close open parenthesis, equals 48 minus negative 3. Lagyan natin yan ng close open parenthesis. So next, isi-simplify na lang natin yan. Kaya ang makukuha natin ay 52y equals to 51. Kaya ang next step natin, susolve natin yan. Susolve natin yung y. Ang y natin is, yan, arrow natin, 51 over 52. Okay. We're gonna solve for y. Lagay natin sa baba. 3x plus 7 close open parenthesis, 51 over 52 is equals to 12. Then arrow, makuha natin 3x plus 357 over 52. Wait, ko-confirm lang natin yun na part. Tama ba ang compute natin? Kakalculator lang natin. Saglit. Okay, 3x okay, so mali ito. Palitan lang natin. Dapat 3x is equals to 267 over 52. Then arrow, x is equals to 89 over 52. So, ang magiging wait lang for lagay muna natin dito si x. Yan, 12x plus 28y is equals to 48. Then x3 become 12x minus 24y is equals to negative 3. So, ang makakuha natin final answer is x is equals to 89 over 52. Then y is equals to 51 over 52. Ito yun, x. And this one is y. 51 over 52. Yan yung final answer natin. Yeah. So therefore, the solution of system linear equation is x and y. X is equals to 89 over 52 and y is equals to 51 over 52. This is the point where both equations intersect. Let's proceed sa ating conclusion. Ang reflection ko dito sa activity na to ay natutunan kong gumamit ng elimination method properly, tsaka mag-align ng equation carefully, tsaka mag-avoid na rin ng mga errors kapag nag-handling ng mga fractions. Ang na-encountered ko ditong challenges ay yung pang-handling ng fraction during substitution, tsaka yung making sure na yung mga signs are correct when subtracting equations. Tsaka lastly na challenges, yung keeping the solution organized. About naman sa real life application is yung concept na to pwedeng magamit sa pagbabudget ng problems, yung business profit calculations, sa engineering and physics problems, tsaka yung paghanap ng intersection points sa mga graphs. So that's all po for this presentation. Thank you for listening, and I hope I help you understand how to solve systems of equations using elimination method. Thank you, sir. Bye.